Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to see the sentences consisting one of the ची रचना असलेले वाक्य आपल्याला पाहायचे. वन ऑफ द ची रचना असलेले वाक्य सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री. एक वाक्य पाहिलं आपण, इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. We have changed this sentence into positive degree. Now, second topic we are going to see superlative into comparative. Superlative into comparative. So formula for superlative into comparative: if the given sentence consists one of the, then what formula we should apply in comparative degree? Let us see. Subject helping verb, subject plus HV means helping verb, adjective plus ER plus than plus any other oblique many other, then complement, full stop. See the formula. Subject plus HV, subject plus helping verb plus object plus ER plus then plus any other or many other plus complement. Now see, any other and many other are there. So when to use any other and when to use many other? If the sentence consists one of the, okay, and then you are changing the sentence into positive or comparative, then this formula you must apply it properly. So see the sentence now. Sachin is one of the greatest cricketers in the world. The sentences belong to superlative degree. Sachin is one of the greatest cricketer in the world. म्हणजे जगातील सर्व क्रिकेटर्सपेक्षा सचिन हा एकमेव असा खेळाडू आहे जो महान आहे. Now this sentence we are going to change into comparative degree. We are going to change this sentence into comparative degree. Now see the formula. Subject we have to write directly, Sachin. Then helping verb same, Sachin is greatest, first form of the adjective great, connect ER, greater. Then we have to write there than, greater than, any other or many other. So we will write here many other, because there may be 2 or 3 players which we can count on finger. They will be like Sachin Tendulkar. That's why we are using here many other. not any other. So Sachin is greater than many other cricketers in the world. Sachin is greater than many other cricketers in the world. So underline many other. Okay. This is the formula of superlative into comparative. Before that we have seen superlative into positive. Now we are going to see two sentences: superlative into positive, positive into comparative, and comparative into superlative and positive. Indian Army. Indian Army one is one of the Indian Army is one of the famous army in the world. Okay, this sentence belongs to superlative degree. Now we are going to change into any degree, whether you can change it into positive or whether it is in comparative. Any degree you can change. So first of all we will change into positive degree. So one of these there, therefore we will use there very few or no other. So here very few armies in the world. Very few armies in the world are as famous as Indian Army. See, it is positive degree. Very few armies in the world are as famous as Indian Army. Very few armies in the world are as famous as Indian Army. Now comparative degree. Now we are going to change into comparative degree. Indian Army subject. Indian Army is more famous because we are using here more because we can't connect ER to the famous, adjective famous. So therefore I have used there more after the helping verb. So Indian Army is more famous than, here we are using very few, then we have to write there many other armies in the world, and this is comparative degree. Comparative. So into 2 degrees this sentence is prepared. Now we are going to see the positive degree. पॉजिटिव डिग्री का सुपरलेटिव एंड कंपैरेटिव में चेंज करना है हमें। पॉजिटिव डिग्री, positive degree. Sentence will be given of positive degree consisting very few or no other. Then when to use many other or any other than any other. Number one, no other economics in the world are as big as India. Indian economics. This sentence belong to positive degree. Now we are going to change into positive and comparative degree. Positive and comparative degree. So first of all we change into comparative degree, then we will change it into superlative degree. We must remember what kind of sentence it is, whether it is belong to positive degree, given sentences belong to positive degree or comparative degree or superlative degree. We must understand the degree at first. It is our most important duty to recognize the sentence, to recognize the given sentence, in which degree this sentence is given. Then next thing we have to remember whether this thing or person are compared between two or more than two. म्हणजे पहिली ड्युटी आपली काय आहे, एकापेक्षा जास्त व्यक्तीबरोबर या वाक्यामध्ये तुलना केलेली आहे की दोनच व्यक्तीबरोबर तुलना केलेली आहे हे आपल्याला पाहायचं. मग फक्त जर दोनच व्यक्तीमध्ये तुलना केलेली असेल तर मात्र ते वाक्य सुपरलेटिव्ह मध्ये होणार नाही. आणि जर एका व्यक्तीची तुलना जगातील सर्व व्यक्तीबरोबर किंवा सर्व व्यक्तीबरोबर जर केली असेल तर ते वाक्य मात्र सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री मध्ये करता येतं. सो लेट अस सी comparative degree. Indian economics. Indian economics is bigger than now many other or any other. इथं नो अदर आहे म्हणजे इथे एनी अदर वापरायचं. एनी अदर. Indian economics is bigger than any other economics in the world. This is comparative degree. Comparative degree. Now third one is superlative degree. Third one is superlative degree. Now change into superlative degree. Indian economics is one of the biggest economics in the world. Superlative degree. What is the sentence in superlative? Indian economics is one of the biggest economics in the world. This is superlative degree. Means into 3 degrees we have changed the sentence. In 2 degrees. First of all we are given sentence belong to positive degree. Then we changed it into comparative degree. And then from comparative we changed it into superlative degree. So I hope you might have understood what I want to convey. Okay, subscribe the channel, like it, as well as if you have any problem, just comment in comment box, so your problem will be solved. During the online lecture, all of you listening attentively, paying attentions, that's very good news. But try to call all the students. There are around 100 students for 10th standard. Okay, so just invite them to be online when I am teaching, when Mr. Golab sir also is teaching, so that they can get what we are teaching. And if you don't understand online, just keep quiet, be patient. Try to listen. If you are not able to listen, then watch the videos which we are uploading. Subscribe the channel so that serial videos will be received by you. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, same like that. So your link not be disconnected. Therefore, subscribe the channel, press bell icon, select all notifications. Then you will get all the serial videos of grammar, whatever it may be, textbook. So everything you will get with the help of video channels. So thank you. Have a nice day. See you for next period.